Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is QT Sherry if this is your first time here. So this lovely unit that I'm rocking right now was sent to me from Luvme here. So if you want to see how I install this unit real quick, stay tuned. Hey guys, so this unit once again is from Luvme here. So what they send me is a reddish brown color, and this style is in deep wave, and this unit do have bangs, and I got it in 14 inches. The unit do comes with an elastic band, and it do have adjustable straps in the back for extra security. So right now I'm going to show you how the unit is constructed. This unit is super convenient because all you have to do is throw it on and go. You don't need to cut any lace or apply any glue. This unit also protects your edges, and it's super easy to take off and on. So this unit did come at 180 density. So to achieve like a full look, or to achieve the perfect look, all you have to do is basically comb out the hair. You could use a comb or you could use your hands. It all depends on your preference, but for me, I do use both throughout this video. This unit works for me because I'm a nurse and I do have on-call visits that I have to do sometimes at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and at that time I honestly do not want to comb or do anything to my hair. So I'm really glad that Luvme here sent me this unit because it's really convenient. All you have to do is throw on and go and you're good. So right now I am just running my hands to the unit to try to get this unit as full as possible. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I am loving this unit and I hope you guys do too. So I'm gonna go and show you guys a view of the back and also a view of the side. And this unit is full from any angle. It's completely full from the side and it is completely full from the back. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this unit will be listed down below in the description bar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.